Alright YouTube, David Harry here, and in this video I'm going to show you a potential fix for fixing Call of Duty Warzone crashing on an Xbox Series X. Now right now on the screen there is going to be a time code which will take you directly to the part of the video where I'm explaining how to do the fix. There will also be a chapter mark on there as well, so you can navigate to it right now for the fix. However, what I'm going to do is just explain and show exactly what's going wrong on this system. And I would suggest that if anybody has kind of got similar problems, they probably want to watch this bit as well anyway, just to confirm that they've got similar issues. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go and launch Warzone here. Now, I'm very, very lucky if I get anywhere near being able to launch into a game. It tends to just kind of freak out fairly quickly even before I've got to the selection point for the games themselves. So let's just see what happens here. So I'm just going to go through as I normally would. Let's see. Just have to bear with us a second whilst this takes time to log in and stuff. I just want to show this happening in real time so people know exactly what's going wrong here. Okay, so I don't actually have any of the other ones on here, but I'm just going to go into Warzone. In fact, this may actually work for Cold War and stuff as well. I don't know. But anyway, so let's get into Warzone here. Now what's going to happen around here, if I start trying to navigate around this part of the menu, it's, oh there you go, it's crashed straight away. Let's see. Okay, right, that's hung on me. There we go. There's that crash scenario. Right, if that's familiar to you, then yes, this video may well really help. Now, just to eliminate any kind of like doubt here, I'm going to try relaunching Warzone again. Okay, and I'll do the exact same thing, and it'll probably crash once again even before it gets anywhere near allowing me to get into a game. I mean, this is mad frustrating, this, because I started thinking that maybe my Xbox was damaged and stuff, but you know, you start going around in circles because you think, well, hold on, nothing else is crashing on the Xbox, only this one thing. So is it really the Xbox that's broke? There's probably still, you know, scenarios where that could be the case, but for me, I don't think that that was the case. So there we go. I'm just kind of navigating around the menu here. In fact, you know what, let me try and jump into a game. So let me go for one of these Rebirth quad games here. Actually, this is going a lot further. Oh, I was about to say that's going a lot further than what it normally does do. As you can see, it's just crashed straight out again. Okay, so there's two examples of the crash happening. So what I'm going to do now is show you the fix. And this fix has worked for me on another system, which is why I'm quite confident that it's going to work here as well. So what I'm going to do is navigate over onto settings. So enter into settings. Now what I'm going to do is go up to general and then come across to network settings and enter network settings. Now come over and down until you get to advanced settings in network and then click on that. Now from here, scroll down until you get to alternative MAC address. Now you're going to notice right now there's some stuff blurred on the screen for me. That's only because they're MAC addresses, and I just don't want people knowing what these MAC addresses are and stuff, and there's also a port number. Anyway, click into alternative MAC address and then click on clear. Now just before I click on this, the last time that I tried this, what happened was the machine looked like it hung, it went to a black screen. So I don't know whether that's going to happen now, because if it does, I'm going to have to put a cut or an edit in here, because my capture software will stop recording if it looks like the machine is not actually sending a video signal. So if I have to do a cut here, because so far in this video everything's been in real time, it's just to show people that it's definitely happening, but I might have to do a cut if this hangs here. Now if it don't, when I say hang, if it goes to a black screen, the last time I've done this it went to a black screen and all I did was a power off and on and it was fine. So anyway, let me just click on clear. And then it's going to ask us to restart. Now at the point of restart last time, that's when I hit a bit of an issue, or what I thought was an issue, but just doing a manual power off and on was the thing that sorted it after this point last time. So restart. Okay, now I will hold on for a little bit here just in case it does come back and I can see it on the screen right now. Like I've just explained, I'm on a video capture thing here. I'm actually capturing it on my PC. And when it loses the video signal, unfortunately, it'll stop recording. Oh, there we go, it's caught it. That's great. Okay, so I've just done this whole thing where I've reset the alternative MAC address. I've then allowed it to restart and whatnot. So what I'm going to do now is jump straight back into Warzone. I will say that. Hold on, wait there. My controller was powered off. Hold on, I've just had to switch my controller back on. Okay, so there we go. So let me get into Warzone. Let me jump right into this. Now, if this is going to do what it did for me the last time it screwed up on another system, it's definitely going to go into the game. So let me just go into here. In fact, I won't even try getting straight into the game. What I'm going to do, I'm going to mess around on like that first menu, because it's that first menu where the problems are happening for me. So select Warzone, and then let's see. Okay, there we go. So as you've seen before, it was crashing out as I was doing this here, so not even selecting a game. So let me just mess with this for a little bit here. Okay, and as you can see, this is working now. And before, I couldn't really do any of this stuff. I mean, not that this is anything amazing, being able to run through and navigate a menu system, but as you've seen before, I couldn't even do this. Okay, so let me go into the games here. Now what I'm going to do is just flip up and down a little bit on the games here. Okay, because in the past as well, even if I didn't navigate through the top menu there, once I come down to, like, you know, the game selection, as soon as I basically hit this point, or even if I try to select like one of the options, it would just crash out on me. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to go into a game on Battle Royale. I'm going to just kind of talk my way out of this video now. So basically, I've shown people that this definitely has worked for me. This is twice this has worked on different systems for me as well. So I've got to say, all the way there, let me just get into a game. So I've got to say right now, this feels like it could well be the same problem for a lot of other people as well. Now, I can't guarantee that this is going to fix every single issue out there to do with any of the Call of Duties not launching properly or crashing on the Xbox Series X. And I will imagine that this is exactly the same thing as well for the S. But like I say, for me, this has fixed the issue, and you've just seen it happen as well. There was no way I was getting into this game, and now I can. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to jump somewhere when I want to get into this game here. This is the other problem for me as well. It's all well and good, my system not crashing now, but it's getting into a game, and the thing is as well, I'm crap at this game. I just love playing it though. So let me just get on with it, and I'm just going to talk my way through the end of this video here. And just explain to people what was going on for me in case like there's similar alarm bells for them. Now basically, I've got this issue occur. I think it was after an upgrade or an update to Warzone, right? I think there was a fairly big update recently that I'd kind of missed it because I hadn't been on the game for a bit. And then I kind of like, you know, did this update, and then all of a sudden it just started hanging and crashing and stuff, and it was immediate. It wasn't like it started doing it slowly. It just did it from like as soon as I put this upgrade or update on. Anyways, there was all kinds of stuff rolling around in my head because I was trying all these things, you know, the way you do. You start like, you know, typing in like, you know, whatever, Warzone crash, Xbox Series X, blah, blah, all this kind of stuff. How do I fix this? And you do all kinds of mad, cranky stuff running around the internet trying to find the solution for these things. And believe me, I went bananas trying to sort all this out. I mean, I went to the extent of uninstalling Warzone, and as you know, it's about 90 gigabytes to download. So I went as far as to uninstalling it and then reinstalling it. There was all kinds of shenanigans that went on. Then I seen all these articles going on about like clearing your cache system and all kinds of really weird stuff. So basically, I essentially tried everything that everybody else has probably also tried as well. Now what happened was, weirdly and probably stupidly, I didn't even bother like doing a search like for Activision solutions and stuff like that. In fact, I think if I can find it, I'll pop it up on the screen now. Actually, what I'm doing, I'm just jumping hopefully miles away from people. The reason why I'm doing this actually is because I'm talking it out and explaining what had gone on, but also it's just to show you that it's definitely working now. Yeah, so basically what happened, I found this solution actually on the Activision site, and stupidly, why on earth I didn't even go looking for them in the first place, and I was just taking, you know, stuff off some random strangers on the internet and complete and utter dickheads on YouTube. Now granted, you know, people might think I'm a complete and utter dickhead myself as well, like, and that would be fair enough. However, it would appear that I've found something that works here. So the solution that I'm doing, I've actually shown it live, whereas I didn't see anybody show a solution where they actually showed it, you know, live, where the solution had worked. Yeah, so basically the bottom line is, what I should have done was really gone and look for the Activision, you know, kind of like, you know, FAQs and stuff like that, just to see if this was definitely an issue that they were aware of and how to get around it. And obviously, yes, there was a solution there that they suggested, and it's worked for me. Okay, I think maybe I've probably blabbered on a bit here. I just wanted to do this end bit for two reasons. One, to show you that this is definitely working now. Oh, wait there, I'm getting shot. No, I don't want to die, yeah. Right, what it is, this was just to show people, oh God, I'm dead, right? Well, that's telling me something. That's saying, Dave, shut your trap and get off. So anyway, yeah, I've shown that it works. I've explained all the bullshit that I went through trying to get the thing to work and all the rest of it. And in the end, it's working. So there we go. Hopefully this is going to help people. I'm not even going to attempt to go fighting in the gulag here because I get slaughtered every time. I'm David Harry. Oh yeah, if you've liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing to my channel, getting all over that bell notification icon. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.